12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Here's lot 289. It's a VF-4 year 2012. We'll go ahead and hit cycle start, let you see it in action. Automatic tool changer, chip auger, take a quick walk around this machine. You can see it's been very well taken care of. A lot of Haas machines in this auction, depending on what you're looking for. Hopefully it's the right one for you. Is lot 289. Make sure to take a look at all the different Haas in the auction. There's a lot of different machines available, a lot of different options. Hopefully the right one to suit you. Good luck, happy bidding. I hope you get a great deal.
You're at 9, no raise your bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,500. 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500. 10 to the mid, now 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500. 10 to the mid, now 10,500.